Siphon Reloaded review. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and in this video I'm going to show you how a skeptic made $10,000 in 30 days. Now you might be a skeptic, you might be not, but this system is 99% done for you, and this is exactly why this guy made $11,244, and I'm going to show you his testimonial in a second. Now I have one of the biggest bonuses out there for Siphon Reloaded, over $2,000. I'm going to show you my bonus in the end of this video, but first let's go through all of the things on the sales page, the inside of the members area, the funnel, and everything else. Now my webcam is still not working, so I won't be filming myself, so apologies for that. But so let's jump into my Siphon Reloaded review right now. As you can see, the headline says skeptic banks $11,244.42 in under 30 days with our self-driving income machine. Now it's your turn. So just to sum it up, 60-second setup, 99% on autopilot, beginner friendly, website and hosting included, very important, same day income potential, scale up fast, and free viral traffic built in. So obviously you can go through all of this in your own time. They have some proof. Now this is the guy that I was talking about, Charlie. He made $11,000 with Siphon, and this is a real testimonial. So as you can see, obviously this is Siphon Reloaded. This is the 2.0 version of this program, and Charlie used the 1.0 version, which, you know, this is a real testimonial. So he's not an affiliate. He's not a friend of Bryan, you know, he is a real customer that actually bought this and used it and made all this money. Okay, so you can check out his testimonial right here. Obviously, you know, this is real proof. They have tons and tons of real proof from real buyers of this product. Now this is Siphon Reloaded, which means that this is a new version, a 2.0 version, an upgraded version of the original Extreme List Builder. Now I'm going to show you exactly why this is so amazing. Step one, you have to just get your money link, then jumpstart the Siphon built-in free viral traffic engine, and then sit back because the autopilot will take over. Now scrolling down here, you know, I'm going to show you exactly how this works in a second. They have another case study where they made $6,000 in a week, money back guarantee as always, and Tom E and Bryan Winters, these are the two guys behind the course. Now Bryan released the 1.0 version. All of his products are amazing. Tom E's products are always amazing. That's why I decided to review this product for you guys. And you know, if you know these two guys, then you know that they are 100% legit and they are helping a ton of people make money online. Now let's jump into the members area. This is what you will see on the sales page. This is how the members area looks like. So Siphon Reloaded, as you can see, the first thing you're going to see is this 20-minute video. This is all the training that comes with it, because it's super simple to work with, because all you have to do is what I'm going to show you right now. All you have to do is grab your link right here. Obviously, you know, this will be a different link once you're going to pick up your copy, and just share it all over the web. And essentially what this does is, you know, we're going to copy it. If someone clicks on it, it will bring up this squeeze page, and essentially you will be giving away a free website. Now who doesn't want a free website, right? So after someone enters their email, they are being presented with a number of offers. So this is the first offer, you know, then they get the second offer, etc. So they have, you know, a little welcome video right here. They click on continue. Whatever they buy from this point on, you're gonna get a commission off of. And also, even if they will just buy, you know, they will buy nothing, they will join for free, they will get 5 accounts that they can give away for free, which means that if you give it away to one person, you're getting 6 subscribers for free. Okay, and this just keeps on building. So all you have to do is just give away one free website with this link, and then the you know, the automated machine takes over. So as you can see, you can control all of your subscribers right here. So you have direct leads, which means that people, you know, people that use your link; autopilot leads, which means that people that will be using the link of the person that's subscribed under you. You have the total leads, you have the paid offers, and then you can also Add all of these leads to your autoresponder like Aweber, GetResponse, GoGVO, MailChimp, SendLane, or Traffic Wave. Or if you don't have an autoresponder, or maybe you just want to do this later, you can just download a file with all the leads and just upload maybe all the leads together a month from now, 2 months from now, whenever you want. But all of these leads are your leads. So you're not building a list for someone else, you're building a list for yourself. Okay. Now they have some little, a little explanation right here of the $6,000 in 1 week. Now, obviously you can generate traffic for this in a number of different ways. They are explaining how to get traffic from solo ads and also from, we're going to get the email swipes right here. Also from email swaps, which is free traffic. You can also use other ad swaps. You can use banner ads, and you can use all of these additional traffic methods. So you have Cache Blurbs, My Traffic Co-op, Warrior Forum, and also they're including 101 more ways to get free traffic. So as you can see, traffic is included in this. And again, all you have to do is just grab one link, send it wherever you want. And, obviously you can do social media, Facebook traffic, Twitter, YouTube, whatever you want to do, and just keep on sending people to this link, and from this point on they will be building your list and generating commissions for you. So it's super simple. There's not much more to it than what I just showed you. That's all you have to do. Again, this is this slick looking squeeze page that everyone will be seeing. And just keep in mind, if someone is being offered a free website, they will probably pick up this offer. They have nothing to lose, you have nothing to lose, and then whatever they buy or whatever the person that subscribes under them buys, you are getting the commission for. So a ton of automated profits can be generated this way. Okay, so again, this is what they will be seeing. And just to sum up this whole thing for you, so if you're still confused about what it does, so let's say Bob purchases Siphon. He follows directions to set it up using free traffic. Then free traffic starts hitting the Siphon auto funnel. In the first step of the auto funnel, visitors are offered a free version of the Siphon software to get targeted automatic email leads following in. Now people sign in because it's free. Once they have the free software, now they have to give the software away to 5 people before it activates for them. Now, this is exactly why you're going to be generating 6 leads from each and every single person that you give it away to. Now, those 5 leads as well as themselves now become Bob's subscribers. So this is exactly what I just told you. So every person Bob successfully gives a copy of Siphon away to, he gets 6 targeted subscribers. This process grows very fast. In addition, when the folks who sign up under Bob also sign up new people, Bob gets 10% of those leads. And when those people sign up new people, Bob still gets 10% of those leads. So full automation, complete autopilot. And down the line, this works beautifully because this produces sick amount of leads. Now in the second step, they get presented with an upsell, which is where Bob makes automatic commissions. So a part of building your list, you are also making money. This system has been proven to work with overwhelming speed by tons of success users, as is evidenced on the sales page. So this is how this works in a nutshell. Essentially, again, all you have to do is just give it away, give a free website away for free, and then the process takes over. Other people will be building your list for you, and whatever sales are made in the process, you're getting a commission. That's how it works. Super simple. Can you give away a free website? Of course you can, and other people can too. So this is exactly how this works. Now let's go through the funnel. As you can see, Siphon Reloaded will be $20, and this is the early bird price. Everything that I just showed you is included in the main product. Now we have OTO number 1, $97. This is Siphon Overdrive, which enables you to 10x the income power of your Siphon funnels, and you're getting deep referral based commissions, which means that even if someone buys something 3 tiers down, you are still getting a commission. That's $97 OTO 1, $47 for OTO 2. This is Siphon 10x package, which gives you 10 additional websites, which normally are $27 per month, and you're getting it for a one-time price, okay, just during the launch period. $197 for OTO free Siphon 10K club. Now this upsell will allow you to unlock the ability to add instant high-ticket backends in the form of auto webinars, paying $500 a pop in commissions. So you're paying $197 and you potentially get $500 in every single commission that you're going to be generating from this point on. So it just makes sense. $197 for OTO 4. This is Siphon traffic co-op. Essentially, your link will be added to a traffic co-op, which means that you're getting autopilot traffic from Bryan and Tom, and obviously you can send it to your Siphon link or anywhere else, but obviously it makes all the sense in the world that you send it to your Siphon link. Now, these are the only 4 OTOs. As you can see, the main product is $20. It just makes sense because it's 99% done for you. All you have to do is just send traffic to your link. These guys will even show you how to generate the traffic, and my bonuses will just make all the sense in the world because you will see how to get even more traffic. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give away $2,450 worth of bonuses. Now these are exclusive, and I have some general bonuses as well, so let's go through it. First of all, you're going to get Flip Me, my best selling course on how to flip products online with the income booster and with the reseller's license. So this alone is worth $100. So we're going to get all 3 of these. Then you're going to get Arbitrage Sugar Daddy, which is another amazing course on how to make money online, just flipping things using arbitrage, buying low, selling high. Another course on how to make $497 dozens of times a day. So obviously $497 is not a ton of cash, but if you can do this dozens of times a day, then it makes all the sense in the world. Now, Affiliate Rebirth. This is the first course that you want to go through to see how to generate even more traffic for Siphon Reloaded. Then we have Tidal Wave Traffic, another great traffic strategy, great for Siphon Reloaded or any other offer. Urgent Arbitrage Cash, 5 different ways to make money online with arbitrage or flipping. Easy Arbitrage Profits, all about arbitrage between eBay and Amazon. Then Blaze, this is my own case study on how I made $400 in a single day with free Facebook traffic and free tools. Obviously you can use this free traffic for Siphon Reloaded as well. Tube Traffic Avalanche, everything you need to know about the YouTube marketing and generating traffic from YouTube. Great for Siphon Reloaded as well. Case study, how I generate free traffic. Obviously amazing for Siphon Reloaded as well. You're getting these 9 plugins and softwares as well. Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, Shortcode, Call to Action, and now you're gonna get 18 additional bonuses. Now these are the bonuses that Tom and Bryan are giving to every single affiliate out there. So I'm not even going to show you these because every single other review on YouTube or anywhere else will mention these bonuses. Just keep in mind, you're gonna get the same bonuses that every single affiliate is giving away, and you are getting, all of these that I just showed you on top of these ones. So that's why I have the biggest bonus package out there. Now I'm giving you 1,500 worth of mega bonuses on top of what I just showed you. That's why the total of this bonus is $2,450. Now my mega bonus is this right here. You can check it all out in your own time. It's essentially 45 W's of the Day awarded courses and product of the day awarded courses. So this bonus alone is worth $1,500. That's a total of $2,450, and you're getting all of this for free just as a thank you if you'll decide to pick up Siphon Reloaded through my link. And Siphon Reloaded will be going live at 9 AM Eastern on August 7th. Now make sure to pick it up with an early bird discount. If you show up early after the initial launch period, the price will be going up. So make sure to show up early, and again, this is by far one of the easiest ways to make money online First of all, you're giving something away for free. Everyone wants it. People are building your list for you, and wherever and whoever buys something, you are getting the commission. So it just makes all the sense in the world. If you are a beginner when it comes to making money online, if you don't have a lot of time, and even I'm not a beginner and I have the time to work on my online business, and I'm still going to use it because it just makes all the sense in the world. It's fully automated and it creates passive income. So guys, if you have any questions, please leave me a comment under this YouTube review video. Please give it a like on YouTube, and if you have any other concerns, you can always reply to one of my emails. Okay guys, I'll be seeing you very soon in the next video, and just make sure to pick up Siphon Reloaded from my link to get all of the bonuses on the 7th of August at 9 AM Eastern. Ciao.